those on.
Today we've decided we're going to have a resort day. We are going for breakfast at Captain Cook's over at the Polynesian if we make it in time. Because trying to round up this rabble to get ready in the morning is horrendous. So yeah, we're going over to Captain Cook's for breakfast at the Poly. And then we're going to come back, get a seat at the pool, and we're going to stay here all day playing the pool. Little trams are all at work while everybody's gone off to the parks. But I say all day. The plan is to obviously be at the pool all day. But whether they'll get bored and want to go and do something else, who knows? Possibility. Our transport is arriving.
Wait a minute, we're taking that one?
Yep.
Where does that take us? Still the same place?
Yeah. It's one of the smaller launches. So we're at the Poly. We've hopefully got half an hour of breakfast left. It's supposed to be on till 11, so fingers crossed.
28 minutes, to be exact.
We're still good.
Yeah.
We are just walking off the pier that the boats drop you off at. We're going to make our way up to Captain Cook's.
Lava pool party? That sounds cool, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think a little bit they have like a glow party here like we do at ours as well.
Is it 3:30 as well?
Oh, they've got a pool party at 3. Oh, they've got an afternoon one.
It's 3:30. It's a fun and games or something.
We'll be able to join in all the fun and games at our pool today.
Really?
Yeah. So the one cool thing here, they've got the kiddies splash area here.
Just like ours?
Yeah.
We can't go in ours because we're too big.
Well, I saw some bigger kids in there to be honest, so I think when it's quiet and there aren't lots of little ones in there, then you'll be okay.
But when there is, they don't.
Yeah. So we've made it inside. Here we go. Yeah, the breakfast menu's still up, kids. Breakfast. So breakfast arrived. Everybody's already digging. You can only see 2 waffles and 1 sausage on their plate. Jacob, however, has already started devouring it. In the end, he had 3 of my sausages on top of his original 2. He's a sausage kid. And he's got his 2 Mickey waffles. Finley has still got his left, so he's got the full waffles, an extra sausage off me, 3 and the breakfast potatoes. Daddy went for the breakfast burrito, which is still currently wrapped up, but he too got breakfast potatoes with that. And then I got the tonga toast, which is sourdough with banana in the middle of it, battered, fried, and then covered in cinnamon sugar. Amazing. So if I put down this, there we go. You can see all the banana inside.
When I put the apple juice, the straw in it, let's get some of
There's Marky's breakfast burrito. How is it?
Horrible, you won't like it.
I won't like it. It's got egg in it. I definitely am not going to like it.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Shotguns on like I'm missing.
Jacob's very distressed right now. He says he's really missing out because the new Fortnite season started.
Why did I not bring my Switch with me?
Oh no.
Oh yeah, you're really missing out.
Apparently there's 2 new guns. What else is there? Oh, he's too busy watching. He can't talk.
It's like there's a turret briefcase. What else is that? There's new skins.
What?
Three new POIs and then new and old mythics came back for this season. So I'm like, oh.
It just goes to show your kids and priorities. I mean, I know this isn't our hotel and we can't go in that pool, but he's really missing out.
What coming?
We can't go in that pool.
What?
No.
We're eating
Kids
it.
logic. I'm hoping I'm not going to be disappointed now. I've wanted this for breakfast for as long as I can remember.
Nice, right?
Not disappointed at all. Vinny wants to try too. Have you disappeared because it's bad or because it's good? It's good. He fainted because it was so good. Tonga toast verdict, Daddy.
That's fair enough.
I want an hour more.
I would imagine it's probably got a day's worth of calories in it,
Most likely, yeah.
but well worth it. Fair enough.
A certain little boy over there has nicked my Tonga toast. So I'm now eating remnants of Mickey waffles, which isn't such a bad trade. To walk around this corner here and head back into the main building through the main bit, not through Captain Cook's. Up here on the right hand side you have the pineapple and I. And it is here that you can get the famous Dole Whip. And their featured flavours today are pineapple and vanilla. Oh, they found a hand sanitizer station.
I got gel on my foot. Whipping.
Well, you've got a sanitised foot now.
And it's on my trousers.
Mummy, thing is, it's not 100%. He's not 100% free of bacteria.
No.
It's only 99.9. That means it's still one bit.
Back into the beautiful lobby. Jacob's doing crazy eyes. He's still there, we haven't left him. Much to Jacob's disappointment. Oh yeah, so the scaffolding is starting to come down. Be interesting. I don't see the hoarding coming down straight away though, because I imagine they've got to do a lot of groundwork. I imagine they've still got the hoarding. I don't think the hoarding will come down straight away because I imagine they've got to tidy up the gardens a bit. But it obviously means they're getting closer to finishing whatever it was they were doing
We're building the roof was...
on the main building anyway. So we are here at the beach pool. I think getting sunbeds might be a problem. down the slide. Yeah. We're going to go down the slide. Finny's going to go down first. You have to wait for the green light. Which is...
Someone did it. Someone just went.
there. We both went down the water slide.
Yeah, it was really fun.
We did, it was good, wasn't it, Finn?
Yeah, if you go to the... Oh. If you go to the Grand
Is
Floridian...
Jacob coming down? Where's he gone? Under the water. Oh no!
So when I went down, it said still green, so it was like that broken. I can sit down on the floor.
Hold on then. So Finny's going again. Alright.
Hello, the water!
That was for, yeah. That was a good job though. We down the slide. Well, there's Finley.
There's Gary.
There's Gary the dog. Hey Gary.
What are you doing, Gary?
He's having a little prune of his feathers.
So, you do know that's actually how they eat stem cells. When they eat them, that's what they do.
You see, he's obviously got a bit in the water and he's a bit wet and he's trying to sort himself out.
I was a duck, so you don't look, Mummy.
Yeah.
Mummy. You know, yesterday when... Yeah? What? It isn't Gary Day. Call him Gary.
What do you want to name one, Jacob?
Yeah.
What are you going to call one?
Adam.
Adam. So we've got Adam and Gary under here. So, three. We're going to put the name for another one. We've got Adam, Gary,
Peter.
Peter. Adam, Gary and Peter.
Yeah.
There we go.